Does this hair look like mine or what? Like, I mean, I don't even care what you guys say because this hair is mine. Okay, this is cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. facebyjdevinci here. I know you guys missed my wig videos. As some of you guys know, I just had my first baby. I had a baby girl. Her name is Sully Marie. I'm super excited to share with you guys this wig because motherhood for me has been a transition. Like, she requires all of my time. I'm breastfeeding, and doing my hair and keeping myself up is my least concern. And when I find a wig like this that I could just throw on and go, oh my gosh, it's a lifesaver. This wig is from samsbeauty.com. If you're interested in getting this exact unit, I will link everything in the description, so be sure to check it out. This is the Game Changer in the color T1B30. It says recommended for kinky 4B/4C hair. That's me, I have 4C hair. And yeah, I literally love this hair. Like, it's so soft. Typically with hair like this that's really kinky, I wouldn't think that the hair was soft, you know, like, but this hair is soft. It literally feels like real hair. It's not itchy because, you know, big hair, it's the summer, it's hot. Big hair could be itchy, but this literally feels amazing. I did not cut it. I did not do anything. I just took my hands and fluffed it up a bit more. You know, the back, we need everything popping, but I just fluffed it up a bit more and I'm in love. So if you're interested in seeing how I just hook this hair up real quick, keep watching. So this is the wig. It is the Game Changer T1B30, kinks and coils, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. Let's actually cut the lace off first. I got on wig cap because my hair is super short, but if you don't know how to cut off lace, you literally just cut as close to the hairline as possible. Literally as close to the hairline. So the only tip that I have when cutting off lace is to make sure you have super sharp scissors, because if your scissors aren't sharp, then your edges and stuff, everything is just a mess. So we're gonna put on the wig now. Line it up to where we want it on our head. It does have little baby hairs on the unit, but this is the unit fresh out of the box with nothing done to it. So just by taking out your little edges, it'll just help make things even more natural looking. This hair is super soft. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be super soft, but this literally feels like real hair. I would normally go in and like put concealer down the part, but the part it's fairly vibrant. I love big hair, so the bigger the hair, the happier I am. But you guys can see now that my edges are out, you can slick them down, but since the hair is so, you know, big and poofy, it's not a necessity in anywhere. Y'all, this is so cute. Ooh, like I literally didn't do anything to this hair and it's like so cute. So just to show you guys the versatility of this unit, I'm gonna flip it over. I have the middle part. You guys can see the part to the middle. Let's go to the other side though. Oh, okay, look at it, so cute. So yeah, I just got my hair out, put it up, like, ooh, vibe. Like, I'm really here. I'm about to go take some selfies for the gram. This hair is mine. Hello. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed and you watch this whole video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I've got a few more wig reviews coming up, so stay tuned for that, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. This wig makes me feel like a model. Like, I could go take some headshots in this picture and book all of the commercials. You're looking for a hairdo that you can go do some auditions on and book them. This hairdo is for you. Like, this is so cute. This right here is my vibe.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.